Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, hit the subscribe button down below and like this video as well. To start off with a nail application, I'm just going to be showing you my little purse that I got off from one of my flights. I'm just using the purse as a storage for all my nail stuff. So these are all the nail products that we're going to be using. You can see the nails that I'm using. They are the artificial ones that have already been filed to perfection. So I'm just going to file my nails and go ahead and use this nail remover to clean off any shaft nails from my nail. Next, I'm going to measure each of the nails and to make sure that they fit to my natural nails, and then I'll go ahead and glue it onto my nails. And once I've done that, you're gonna see me go ahead and use a glue to just apply it round, just to make sure that there are no spaces in between. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and file my nails to the shape that I want, which is the coffin shape. So what I basically did was just to file the tips vertically, horizontally, and yeah, that's it. So this is where I was applying the glue. So you can do this before or after filing. And yeah, we're basically done with the nail application. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply my nail polish, and I'll be using this pretty tomato red, and maybe it's not tomato red, but it's it's a shade of red anyways. So, and yeah, once I've done that, I'm going to use the transparent one and we're done. I'm going to leave it to dry and just flaunt it.